Hey people, doing a kind of like a big unboxing video. I've done some of it out store. I got a lot of good stuff today, and I got this. I've been wanted to buy this for a long time, and let's open it up and see how this looks like. And what does it come with? Open it like that. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that's so nice. This is going to take a lot to get used to because I've never played portable devices for a long time. Ooh, that looks very nice. I got the PlayStation's, oh not PlayStation, Nintendo Switch Lite, and that's it there, and that's it there. And it's pretty cool. Let's see how if it turns on. Ooh, it turns on. Look, on. It's pretty cool. I'll turn that off. Let's see what this comes with. I have to set all that up. It comes with the charger lead. Let me see what kind of charger lead that is. It looks like what you use for the new Samsungs. I got this, The Witcher, and it comes with, I hope it comes with all the games with it, with all the DLCs. And where's the freaking game go? Game goes, yeah, that's where the game goes, right in there. And yeah, that's where it goes. And it came with a lot of, it came with a map. I actually had this game on PS4, and shit got stolen. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, and I got this today, the PlayStation Gold headsets, and I hope it's 3D audio, because I'm going to be doing my research on this. There's all the stuff for it. I know how to set this all up. I just want to look at the headsets themselves. And if you hear people in the background, that's my parents and my sister, my mum and my sister out there with her friend. And there's the light headsets. And I got the Joker. This is the PlayStation Gold headsets. Yeah, let me have a look. I think it's 3D audio. I did have a 3D audio headset once. I'm gonna be doing my, and I got Joker today. I've been waiting to get this since last week, and yeah, been waiting to get this last week. And that's my unboxing video, and I hope you enjoy it. See you, bye.